In today's hybrid work environment, UCaaS is one of the most sought-after voice and collaboration solutions. Our UCaaS platform delivers everything your team needs in one streamlined solution. Let's break it down. With us, you get a robust phone service with features like call recording and transcription, conferencing, auto attendance, call queues, and customizable time frames. An integrated call center equipped with interactive voice menus, call queues, recording and reporting, everything your agents need to deliver exceptional customer experiences. Mobile, web, and desktop UC clients, so your employees can leverage the platform's capabilities anytime, anywhere. Business SMS with keyword responders and QR codes, appointment reminders, SMS blast campaigns, and more. A centralized portal with role-based access tailored for basic users, agents, office managers, and more. But offering the right features is just the beginning. Our in-house team supports you at every step, from assisting with customer conversations to providing tailored training for mastering the platform. Whether you need us hands-on or in the background, we've got you covered. As features evolve, we ensure you're always ready to deliver the latest features to your staff. We are your partner in success. Empower your team with the best voice and collaboration solutions, all in one place. Get started today.